Three statements are true, one is false. Identify the false statement. Given concentric circles with arc measures as indicated, which means that these two circles share O as the center point, and D, E, O, G, and B are collinear. So this line here is a straight line. Let's start with A. The measure of angle FOG is 95 degrees. That is true. Since this is the central angle for this arc, and that is 95 degrees, therefore this angle is 95 degrees. That is true. The measure of angle EOF here plus the measure of angle COB here equals 180 degrees. That is true as well. Since we know that this is a straight line, these two angles are a linear pair. They're supplementary angles, which means they add up to 180 degrees. The measure of arc AC, this arc here, equals the measure of arc FH, this arc here. That is true. Say that this angle here is x degrees. That means that this arc has a measure of x degrees, and this arc also has a measure of x degrees. So this is true. Finally, we have the measure of CBA, so the arc that goes all the way around here. So what is the measure of this arc? So 95 plus 145 gives us 240. So 240 plus the measure of FE. So how do we figure out the measure of FE? Well, we know that since this is a line, that means that this is a semicircle, which means that these add up to 180 degrees. So if you take 180 and subtract 95, you get 85 here as this measure. So if you take 240 and add 85 to it, you get 325. So this is not true. This is not 315, it's 325. To reiterate, we have a straight line here, and we know that this angle is 95 degrees, and we have the line here. So how do we figure out this angle? Well, that would be 180 minus 95 degrees, which gives us 85. So that is how we know the measure of this arc right here. That's 85 degrees. And 85 plus 240, which is 95 plus 145, equals 325, not 315. The answer is D.